Are you stuck spending hours cutting masking tape circles by hands, and when you're done, it looks more like triangles? Let's talk about how we can save you time and money with using custom die cut parts. In this video, we are going to talk about masking tape kits, why manufacturers use them, and whether it will be a good fit for you or not. Masking tape kits are pre-arranged sets of die-cut adhesive parts, used for masking specific fixtures during product assembly. These kits include accurately cut die-cut adhesive parts in various shapes, which are applied to surfaces to protect them during the painting process. Masking tape kits come in sheeted, rolls, or bagged foams. Manufacturers use masking tape kits because they offer significant advantages over manual application. Creating individual masking shapes manually is time-consuming and lacks precision. Masking tape kits contains accurately cut parts that users can easily apply and ensure consistent coverage. Converters can design different kits tailored to particular application. For instance, different projects may require specific combinations of masking parts. Additionally, they have the flexibility to order mirrored versions of the part within the same kit, sheet, or roll, allowing for simultaneous use of paired components. Masking tape kits offer significant advantages over manual application methods. They are quicker, more accurate, and ensure consistent coverage. Custom tape parts in kits have precise measurements and shapes. Manual application, on the other hand, is time-consuming, less accurate, and can result in varying masking shapes and errors. Masking tape kits eliminate the risk associated with manual methods, such as product damage and material waste. Masking tape kits are suitable for companies that use consistent number of parts. If your project involves masking specific components of an object and requires efficiency, consistency, and accuracy, a masking tape kit will be a suitable choice. However, it's essential to consider the initial investment in die-cut tooling, which may be an additional cost. If you are unsure about the cost or if kitting is the right option for your project, you can consult a converter and request for a quote to assess the feasibility. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our learning center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.